Another wild adventure, directed by Jimmie Smith. Featuring the talented Megan Ellis. Come along with me, guys. This is gonna get really weird. Here we go. Another perfect day to cross the Mackinac Bridge. We want to show you how long we can both hold our breaths for. After holding our breath for nearly an hour, it was clear we should hit the town. This was the longest drive I've ever been on, but finally we arrived at Tourist Park in Marquette. And boy, was I excited. That's us. There's nothing quite like setting up a tent. Wow, look at that success. Presque Square. Presque Park is one of the most visited places in Marquette. For good reason too, honestly. 323 acres, a forested peninsula, whew, and that water. Miles of hiking trails stretch through Presque Park, and there are over 100 species of native plants. Then we decided to have some coffee and reflect life. It was another great day in Marquette, and tomorrow was Megan's big race. Good morning, Marquette. There's Megan doing some uppercuts before the big run. Winner right there. After the big race, we checked out the Superior Dome. Wow! When it opened in 1991, it was the world's largest wooden dome. If Coach just would have put me in. Seeing it was a nice day, we decided to check out Lake Superior. Wow, look at all these little critters. It was a windy day on Lake Superior. I was pondering all sorts of things, like who lives on the dunes? Is it snakes and salamanders? Next up, Marquette Harbor Lighthouse, originally built in 1853. Felt like we were at this lighthouse for so long, I was needing water. Feeling pretty ambitious, we headed over to Pictured Rocks, known for its unusual sandstone formation. Remnants of shipwrecks are scattered across the shoreline. Come with me to Pictured Rocks. Now this was quite a hike, about 6 miles there and back, so bring water. But we finally made it to our destination, Chapel Rock. Look at all these facts. There's over 100 miles of hiking trails, towering sandstone cliffs, and it's said to be between 1 billion and 500 million years old. That's way older than me. Pictured Rocks was most spectacular. You can kayak, boat, or hike Pictured Rocks, located in Munising, Michigan. Wow, breathe it in, folks. One last time. Goodbye for now. Thanks for watching.